Welcome to our channel. So today in lecture 8 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 12 for chapter 8 human health and disease. Let's start with the video. The first question is, if you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? The option A is serum globulins, the option B is fibrinogen in plasma, the option C is serum albumin, and the last option is hemocytes. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is serum globulins. The second question is, which of the following immunoglobulins does constitute the largest percentage in human milk? The first option is IgM, the second option is IgA, the third option is IgD, and the last option is IgE. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is IgA. Question third. Antivenom injections contain performed antibodies, while polydrops that are administered into the body contain. The option A is attenuated pathogens, the option B is activated pathogens, the option C is gamma globulins, and the last option is harvested antibodies. The right answer for this question is option A, that is attenuated pathogens. Question fourth. In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish between its own cell and foreign cells. If this property is lost due to the genetic abnormalities and its attack its own cells, then it leads to option A is activated immunity, option B is graft rejection, option C is autoimmune disease, the option last is none of the above. The right answer for this question is option C, and that is autoimmune disease. Question fifth. Asthma may be attributed to, the option A is inflammation of the trachea, option B is accumulation of fluid in lungs, option C is bacterial infection of lungs, the last option is allergic reaction of the mast cells in the lungs. The right answer for this question is option D, that is allergic reaction of the mast cells in the lungs. Question 6. Which of the following sets of diseases are caused by bacteria? Option A is tetanus and mumps. Option B is herpes and influenza. Option C is typhoid and smallpox. And the last option is chloria and tetanus. The right answer for this question is option D, that is chloria and tetanus. Seventh question is, which of the following disease is caused by the protozoan? The first option is influenza, the second option is cancer, the third option is syphilis, the last option is babesiosis. The right answer for this question is option D, that is babesiosis. Question 8th. Grafted kidneys may be rejected in a patient due to option A is cell mediated immune response, option B is passive immune response, option C is innate immune response, and the last option is humoral immune response. The right answer for this question is option A, which is cell mediated immune response. Question 9th. AIDS is caused by HIV. Among the following, which one is not a mode of transmission of HIV? Option A is transfusion of contaminated blood. Option B, sharing the infected needles. Option C, shaking hands with infected person. And option D, sexual contact with infected person. The right answer for this question is option C, that is shaking hands with infected person. The last question for this lecture is, the cell mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by option A is thrombocytes, option B is erythrocytes, the option C is T lymphocytes, and the last option is B lymphocytes. The right answer for this question is option C, that is T lymphocytes.